Hello, welcome back. Today's episode we will be doing fresh rough grouse in the oven. We'll take it from this point. I'll avoid all the cleaning and everything, but when we get back we'll be taking it to preparation and going into the oven and serving. And as you can see, my buddy Cooper here just loves these things. Unfortunately, he's not the best hunter, but he likes eating them. Alright, I've taken the liberty of saving you all the messy part. I've been able to clean off my rough grouse. Left the legs, wings, back attached. Completely drained the inside, washed. At this point, I'm going to liberally wipe this down and give it a massage with oil. This is just to help keep things tender and moist. And then we're going to give it a dry rub of plain Jane President's Choice Poultry Rub Mix. Nothing special, nothing fancy. And you want to get all the outside coated. Doesn't take a whole lot of oil. Just enough so it stays a glistening film on it. And nothing gets dried out, so when you apply your dry rub to it, everything will stick. It's more of the breast and the legs that you're worried about. The wings, just a light coating, just to say it gets glistened up. Right, you see how I've added a little bit of ginger ale, just enough so it's maybe 3/8 of an inch in the bottom of the pan. I've stuffed it with my apple and breadcrumb mixture, and that's been seasoned as well with my President's Choice Poultry Mix. This I'm going to cover up now, and it's going to go into a 350 degree oven for about an hour and 10, hour and 15. Alright, here we go, and it's been an hour and 15 minutes in a 350 degree oven. And this is what you'll see here for this little bird. If you could just smell the aroma of the apples with the ginger ale and the spices, and here, give you an idea, things just flake apart. They're still moist, but completely cooked through. Still has lots of the ginger ale for the liquid. I'm going to take this out and let it cool. It's going to absorb a lot of the moisture back into it, just like you would any kind of meat. Let it rest before you cut it open. Alright, here we go. We had time to let the bird settle a little bit. We're going to take off one half of it. And see how it's just able to peel it right off the bone. It breaks off. That's how you know this bird is well done. Everything just falls apart. And here again, we're just going to save the wing and the other half for later. Take off a little bit of the dark meat with the leg. And you want to watch out when you're doing partridge legs, or rough grouse, whichever way you want to call it. This is all full of small bones and splinters. You don't want to just give this to anybody who won't take their time to eat it slowly. And it's definitely not something to give to pets. So this half I'm going to save for later. So I'm just getting a plate ready for myself. For now, this can go back in the broiler. And we're going to serve this with a good mess of rice. And there you go. Rough grouse with basic seasonings and a side of rice. If you like this recipe, share it with others. Like us on YouTube, Facebook. I hope you get out and try replicate the recipe yourself or put your own twist on it.